Well, everyone, iOS 27 is right around the corner, and what I mean by that is it's like 10 months away, and there's already rumors and leaks and things that we're already probably going to be getting inside of iOS 27. Now, what we're seeing first of all, number one, is that it's not looking like it's going to be like a very big, crazy update. It's looking like it's going to prioritize a few different small things here and there. There might be some other really big features inside of iOS 27, but number one, the big thing we're probably going to end up getting, at least one of the biggest benefits I think, is probably going to be, Gemini inside of Siri, like pretty through and through. So as you may have seen, Google is now going to be teaming up with Apple, and they are going to be supplying the backend model for Siri. Now, from where we're seeing, it's not like it's going to be a Gemini, it's not like Gemini is going to be replacing Siri, but it looks like Apple's going to be given the option of using something like, Gemini for their backend model, and they can tinker around with it. They can use whatever they want to do with it. And I would imagine the first time we're going to end up seeing this is going to be inside of iOS 27. The fact that this news just came out and we have iOS 26 now and 26.3 and 4 and all these other ones, once iOS 27 comes out, I think that's the one that's going to be giving us a lot more features and a lot more benefits through and through. So we're going to kind of wait and see what happens. But that right there is also going to be another really interesting thing that we're going to kind of have inside of this particular device. So if you have, a device like an iPhone 13, 12 and above, you're probably going to get iOS 27 and you're about to see this really crazy feature come out. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.